Hello and welcome to part 2 of this video of a cheaper way for lead generation. I'm Jason Hopkins. Now before I begin, I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification button so that you receive more content in the future. Now, you know how people are always saying that content is king? Well, that's not just a cliche. It's absolutely true. Now, if you're trying to gather more leads, then you need to be putting your best foot forward and start using YouTube, because YouTube is basically, it's a search engine and everybody's on there looking for something. And how to do this, you want to start creating videos that have high quality content that is going to be used to help solve your target audience's problems. You know, make sure your content is relevant to what the customer wants, what your audience wants, and make sure that it is easy to find on Google by optimizing the title and also the description of each video. You don't want them buried under other videos or things that have too many keywords. And the next thing is you want to repurpose your content on Facebook and any other platform where you have a lot of followers so that people can find it easier. Now, the more places where you can get people to see your content, the better chance that you're going to have to get more leads in the long run. Me personally, I feel that YouTube is a great platform for you to get free leads. You can create videos that are going to be helpful and also shareable, and then people will start watching it. Your target audience will start watching it. The more likely they'll click onto your website link. And did I mention that all this work is going to cost you no money? So I suggest that you take advantage and use YouTube, use videos. They're very powerful. Well, that wraps this up. If you got any value from this, give this a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below this video. And again, if you want to know my #1 recommended program, you want to click that link below this video where you'll be directed to a page where you're going to be putting in your name and your email. I'm Jason Hopkins. Thanks for stopping by. Bye now.